Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a very interesting topic, and that is understanding skin types. Your skin is unique, and understanding your skin type is crucial for maintaining a healthy and a glowing skin. Now, if you are interested in this topic and you want to learn more about this topic, then keep on watching. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. Now, have you ever wondered why a particular skincare product works for your friend but does not give you the same kind of result that your friend gets? Well, it all comes down to your skin type. But before we dive into this topic, if you're just seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I am your Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create daily videos, or at least I try to create daily videos on skincare DIYs, product reviews. I teach you about the nerdy stuff about skincare formulation. So if this is something that you are interested in, please join the family by subscribing down below. Turn on the post notifications so you are notified every time I put out a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back. Skin type can vary from person to person, and understanding your skin type will unlock the potential or unlock the full potential of your skincare routine. Now, let's talk about the different skin types, right? Let's start with the lucky ones who have normal skin. Now, normal skin is the epitome of skin balance. Like, they have balanced skin. Their skin is neither too oily nor too dry. They're just in the right balance, in the right in between. Now, the people who have normal skin usually have even and textureless skin. Now, people who have normal skin often have small, barely visible pores. They have smooth and even textured skin, and they tend to age gracefully with minimal wrinkles and all of that stuff that comes with aging. Now, let's talk about dry skin. If you often experience tightness, flaking, and dullness, chances are you have dry skin. Dry skin lacks moisture and oil, and this makes them more prone to fine lines and wrinkles. Now, if you have a dry skin, to keep your skin hydrated, opt for gentle cleansers and heavy moisturizers that can help to block in moisture. Now, moving on to the oily skin people. If your skin often shines like a disco ball, yes. If your skin often shines like a disco ball at midday, you're probably dealing with oily skin. Now, oily skin produces excess sebum, which leads to a greasy appearance and an enlarged pores. For you to manage your oily skin, you should look for oil-free cleansers that are lightweight, and also use a non-comedogenic moisturizers. Now, let's talk about the skin type that's a mix of both worlds, and that is combination. This type of people have both oily and dry skin. Combination skin will require a balanced approach and targeting specific areas. Soothing products are a must. Now, understanding your skin type is like having a secret weapon in your skincare arsenal. It allows you to choose products that address your specific concern, but the key is to balance your skincare routine. Use oil control products for your T-zones and hydrating products for your cheeks. Now, last but not the least, let's discuss sensitive skin. Now, if your skin easily gets irritated, red, or itchy, you likely have sensitive skin. Now, a sensitive skin requires extra care and attention. Now, if you have a sensitive skin, I would advise that you opt for fragrance-free products and also hypoallergenic products. And also make sure you patch test every new skincare products that you're about to put on your skin before applying them to your face. Now that we've covered the most skin types, you may be wondering how you can tell what skin type you are, right? Now, here's a simple hack that I always do. Clean your face, or rather that I always ask my clients to do. Clean your face or wash your face and clean your face thoroughly. Leave it bare for about 2 hours. And then observe how your skin feels and how it looks. Is it tight and flaky, which will indicate that you have a dry skin? Is it shiny and greasy, which will indicate that you have an oily skin? Or do you have a combination of dry parts and oily parts, which will identify you as a combination skin candidate? Do you feel normal? Does your skin feel normal? No discomfort at all? That means that you have a normal skin. And yeah, just that's the easiest way that you can tell your skin type. This particular test will give you a good starting point. Once you have identified your skin type, it's time to customize your skincare routine accordingly. For a dry skin, focus on hydrating and moisturizing products. For an oily skin, you will benefit more from an oil-free cleanser and a lightweight moisturizer. Now, combination skin will require a balance that specific concerns and promotes a healthy complexion. Now, remember that everyone's skin is unique, so don't be afraid to experiment and experiment in finding the best product that suits your skin type. I hope that you found this video interesting or informative in finding your skin type. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more skincare content. As always, if you have any questions about your skin type, about your skin, or whatever questions you have, please leave them in the comment section. I will be very, very glad to assist you with your inquiries. Also, if you have suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section. I will be very happy to do those videos for you. Now, I want you also to comment in the comment section what you think your skin type is and why you think that's the skin type that you have. If you'd like to ask questions about our upcoming training, we have a skin whitening training that is coming up. We're going to be teaching you 4 different recipes on skin whitening products, safe skin whitening products, and we are also going to be teaching you the science, the nerdy stuff behind skin whitening products and its formulation. So if you want to join that class, it's only 50,000 naira. Please send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar and we will give you all the information that you need. We also have our beginner training, which is the diploma in organic skincare science or organic skincare formulation. We also have our advanced, we have our anti-aging skincare formulation course. We also have where you tell us what you want to learn and we will create specific skincare formulation courses to fit your need. We also have our skincare products, our skincare range. So if you would like us to consult for you for free, let us know by sending us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar. Tell us about your skin, what your goals are, what you want to achieve, what kind of products you have been using, skin problems, whatever it is, let us know and we will help you pick out the best products for you. Thank you so much guys for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Hi Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel where we do everything skincare and skincare.